Hey guys, it's Jonna, and today we are doing, what are we doing? I literally almost forgot. Why do I always do this? We are recreating hairstyles from the Sweet Life of Zack and Cody that Maddie has worn because she used to have the freaking craziest hairstyles. Who remembers? She used to have like pigtails out to here and like all this crazy stuff, and I just thought it was funny, and I was like, wow, I should try to recreate this because that would be super fun. And I'm incredibly nostalgic, so I always think about the 2000s, and I'm like, wow, remember that, remember my childhood. So if I was a teen in the 2000s, I would have been like wearing these hairstyles, which I think is so funny, so why not try them out now? So we're going to be doing 3 today that I thought were like kind of easy to do because I'm not a hairdresser. So, you know, you gotta pick the easy ones. But this video is probably gonna end up being kind of long, so let's just get started. So I think the first one that we're gonna do is the little pulled back one with a bunch of clips. And so I have a bag of like the most 2000s looking clips ever. There are some butterflies in there. These are actually like authentic 2000s clips. And I've been hoarding them for that long, which is kind of alarming. But good for this video. So I don't know. We're gonna use some that look like the ones that she has or not. Just, you know, if you can get some 2000s clips, you're good to go. And then I also have a comb, and I have the pictures on my phone, and I'm probably gonna be looking in my screen because I don't have a good enough mirror with me that I can bring here, which is annoying. But we're gonna make it work. It's really just like a pulled back look when she just has a bunch of clips in there. So should I try to find? She has blue, pink, and yellow. Let's see what we have in here. But I don't know if the big ones are gonna like hold well. Cause you know, if you ever used these, you know that they don't really do much. They just look cute. So we have a little blue butterfly. Oh, we have a yellow butterfly. Fun. Like, I was looking through these and I was like, this is so cute. I'm so glad I kept these. Okay, 2 of the same yellow butterflies. So that's good. Do I have another blue? I used to wear these all the time. Like, I actually used to just like clip my hair like this and like go to school because I thought it was cute. But I was also like in 2nd grade, so sadly I only have one of these little blue ones, but I have a yellow one that matches, and then I have like little blue flowers. They're like a light blue, like a see-through blue. And then I have 2 different pink ones. So for the sake of like matching, I'm gonna use these yellow ones, and then the 2 pink ones, and then the 2 like light bluey ones. I don't know. If you don't have matching, I think it's fine. So I'm gonna change my part up a little bit because I feel like hers is a little bit closer to the middle. So we're just gonna, even though I hate changing my part, I will probably say that a few times throughout this video. We're gonna brush it out. Sorry, I'm looking in my screen. I don't have a mirror. Okay. I already look like different and weird. Okay. Anyway, I am ready to 2000s-ify myself. So, how do I even like start this? So Maddie has bangs like throughout the whole thing, and I obviously don't have bangs, but we're gonna take out a little strand on each side. I already look so weird. We're gonna take out a little strand on each side so that I remember to keep the strand out. Just, this is it. This is the look. Okay. So I think I'm gonna start with the yellow one because it's at the back. And it's kind of in sections too, like 2 sections pulled back. So what I think I'm gonna do is take one way and one the other way, if that makes sense. Okay, so we're gonna take this whole piece here and then split it in half. That's not half. Split it in half wherever the half is. And so I'm gonna put one back one way and one back the other way. Now I confused myself. Okay. So we're gonna take it in half. Move all this back there. That's still not half. Why can't I do half? Half? Not half. Almost half. Half? Half. Okay. I wish I thought about this before my throwback party. I went to a throwback party last year, even though they played like no throwback music, and I was so upset about it. So let's do this like around there, and we're gonna take the little yellow butterfly and clip. Is it gonna stay? Oh no. See what I mean? These are terrible. They're just for aesthetics and they like don't stay. Okay, I think that's as close as we're gonna get for now. And then this one is gonna be like a little bit crossed over. I'm so sorry that I have to use this as a mirror. Okay, and then I'm gonna take the blue one and just put that in there. Okay. Okay. And then the pink one, we need like a lot of support here at the back because I feel like this part is like falling. So let's add that. I already feel like really 2000s, you know? We're gonna take a piece, we're gonna pin that. Let's see if this works. Alright, you kind of worked. See, half the problem here is that I don't have a mirror. So I can't 100% see what's happening. That one's there. That one's there. Let's put a pink one at the back, if that's even possible. Boom! Can you even see this side? But like, instant 2000s look. All you have to do is like pin back your hair and put some butterfly clips in and call it a day. Are we similar? This took way more effort than necessary because these clips do not work well as clips. So maybe if we want to like bobby pin first and then put the clips in, that might work better, but still gets the job done. I honestly think this is cute. Would I wear this on a regular day? Not sure. I think if I had a 2000s look and then I would match the hair to the look, but I think just like a 2018 look with this hair, I don't know. I feel like that would be fun though. I don't know if I would try it myself, but I feel like it would be fun. I feel cute. I'm like brought back to my youth, but like, dig it. I honestly would not trust this in the wind. I feel like the wind, it would just like everything would go flying. But like if you go to a party and you go me inside, cute. I dig it. So her next two looks are with straight hair, but my hair is like pretty much straight except for this little front part, so I'm kind of just gonna call it and say we don't need to straighten my hair. You can if you want. It's up to you. You're doing the hairstyles. If you want to straighten, you can straighten. If not, you can be lazy like me. This next one is the one that I'm like kind of worried about. It looks, her hair literally looks like a net, which I think is so funny, but it's also kind of cute. So this is the one that I'm like kind of worried about doing on myself. So if you can get a friend to do this for you, it's like really easy, but I think it's just hard to do on yourself because you can't get it like completely straight. So basically we're gonna make like a net and we're gonna grab a piece and we're gonna like tie. So we're gonna tie like one piece, one piece, one piece, one piece, and then we're gonna take the two pieces together and the two pieces together. And I think there's only two, let's look. Yeah, there's only two like connections. So let's see how this goes. So we're gonna take these out. She has bangs, but her hair is side parted. So I'm gonna go back to closer to my normal hair because it just sits better on my head. So now for this one, besides the comb, all I have is these like little itty bitty rubber bands, which are such a pain to take out. So good luck to me and anyone else who tries this. But you just gotta do what you gotta do, okay? We're gonna do it. She has 4 or 5 pieces. I'm gonna say 5. Like 1 on each side and then 3 at the back. So basically, we're just gonna like take a piece. I don't even know how they did this. Who came up with this hairstyle? That's what I wanna know. Okay, so my guess is we're gonna take a piece from like the top, more top layer, I was like, I thought I didn't open the bag, and I was like, maybe I should have opened the bag first. And then we're gonna like smooth it down and then get a little rubber band in there. Let's tie that a couple times. I don't think it needs to be like really tight. Also, the tighter you make it, the harder it is to come out of your head later. Okay. Alright, I think that's okay. So we're gonna do one on each side, so that's one there. I think this would have looked a little cuter if I straightened my hair, but you know what? See, now the problem is, how am I gonna get them like lined up? And then you also have to be mindful of how it sits, because if you tie it like out here, it's gonna sit differently. So just try to tie it close to where it'll be sitting, you know? Okay. Oh, see, it did it kind of. Okay. Okay, see, so then with this one, we're gonna split it, and then half of this piece is gonna go to the back. So this is gonna be weird. So again, we're gonna grab like a top layer. That's probably too big. And I'm kind of just like, I'm kind of guessing here. All of this is like me guessing, so enjoy. I'm just kind of trying to smooth this out a little bit. It's definitely not going to look as perfect as hers, so if you have high expectations, you should lower them right now. Then we're going to tie her up, just like that. Okay, can you see? Okay. Okay, so we have two here and one here, and then we're going to get one in between each side. This is making my arms tired. I can tell you right now that they're definitely all even. Or they're not even, that's what I meant to say. And they're all in like different places on my head. But we're gonna take a look anyway. Ooh, can we see? Okay. We're gonna split them. So we're gonna split this one. Right? I can't split anything today because my halves are not even. Is that even? Doubt it. Anyway, we're going to split this one, and then we're going to find the next one and split it also. And then we're going to bring them together and do a little tie. And now we have a net on our head. Fun! I'm having fun. Are you having fun? That even feels like super weird. Okay, so then with that piece, because that's already split, then you're going to take the one at the back and split that. I messed something up on this side. I don't know where this one is supposed to connect. And we got like the gist of it. Can you see it, you know, where it all comes together? But obviously, because I'm doing it on my own head, it's a little difficult. But, you know, it's there. Concept is there. So we're going to do one more, and I'm going to take all these rubber bands out of my hair, which should be a challenge, so I will be right back. So I have brushed my hair out, and it feels very nice now with all the rubber bands in it. So we're going to do one last one, and it is the one where she has all the ribbons in her hair and it's like tied up in sections, which I actually think is kind of cute. I don't think I would ever have bangs, but like I like it. So I think all you need is ribbon, and you can get like a comb if you want to. Hers was blue, but I like pink better, and pink was all I had anyway. So we're going to do pink. I feel like Mosby would have yelled at her if she showed up with pink bows, so I think she had to do the blue to like match the uniform. So literally all it is just like sectioned hair, and then we like tie a little bow up here, and that's it. So let's try it. She has a middle part, and like I don't like a middle part, but I will try it and just see what happens. Also, I don't know if I said this, but if you're doing this, be prepared to get your hair like everywhere. Because with the rubber bands and the brushing and all of it, it gets everywhere, you know? How did I used to have a middle part? I feel like I can't get one anymore, but that's obviously because I've had a side part for like 10 years. See? Look at how different the side looks. Okay. So do we start in the front? I guess we can start in the front. I don't like this. I have to like pull it all the way down. Okay. Don't look at my face. Okay. So let's, you know what? Let's try to do it in half. So if we can do like 4 and 4. So maybe I lied. Let's start from the back. So I got 1 and I just like cut up some pieces of ribbon and I did 2 knots. Fun! Except I feel it falling. So just make sure that you get it like really tight. Maybe this one will be better because it's like closer to my face. Fun! I kind of feel like Dorothy from The Wizard of Oz. Oh no, this one is falling. I feel like the slightly more complicated hairstyles really benefit from having another person. But I don't have another person. So here I am. Alright. This looks way different than hers. Why does it look so different? Okay, I'm gonna do the other side and then I will be back. So, I think I look like low-key ridiculous because I hate the way that I look with the middle part, but like why does it look so cute on her? I wonder if I like changed my part, then maybe I would like it a little better, but like still kind of cute, still kind of cute. I totally look like Dorothy because if I like get rid of this part, I just look like I have like pigtails and bow. I don't know. Do you like? Do you hate? Let me know what you think. So that is it. Let me know what you guys think. Do you like the 2000s hairstyles? Do you hate the 2000s hairstyles? Would you wear any of them? If you want to be someone from the 2000s for Halloween, then maybe this gives you a little bit of inspiration. I don't know. But I think that is it. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you liked it. If you did, you can check back to my channel for more videos, and I will see you guys next time.